Assalamu alaikum. Syria, oh Syria, oh Syria, Allah is here. Syria, oh Syria, oh Sham. I feel sad and helpless for my brothers in Syria, praying for the heroes of Islam. My brothers are being oppressed by the tyrants of Syria, fighting for survival and self-defense. Though the sky is falling down, all the angels gather around, and the clouds are crying for Bilad al-Sham. The consequences are dear, the oppressor should fear. Allah's victory will come to Bilad al-Sham. Ameen. Syria, oh Syria, oh Syria, Allah is here. Syria, oh Syria, oh Sham. The mothers of Sham are crying, every tear will be accounted for. Allah is the King and most just. The courage of my sisters in war is an example for mankind. Standing strong, may Allah bless them all. Ameen. Though the sky is falling down, all the angels gather around, and the clouds are crying for Bilad al-Sham. The consequences are dear, the oppressor should fear. Allah's victory will come to Bilad al-Sham. Ameen. Syria, oh Syria, oh Syria, Allah is here. Syria, oh Syria, oh Sham. Allahumma izal Islam wal Muslimin wa dammir ad-din thumma ameen. Syria, oh Syria, oh Syria, Allah is here. Syria, oh Syria, oh
First, I start in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most just, the most kind, the most compassionate, the most merciful, the Lord of the honorable throne, the Lord of the Alameen, the King of kings, the Master and Majesty of the heavens, the earth and the universe. And I send my peace and blessings on the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. It's your brother Umar Isa. Please, 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 please donate to this amazingly noble cause. It's for Syria, please. So if you could, if you're watching this, if you watch my video, £1 or €1 every view. Please, please, please. www.al-rahma.de. Please, please, please keep in contact, keep it locked. www.umarisa.com, and you can donate there as well, inshallah. It's for an amazing cause. It's for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, helping our brothers and sisters who are suffering. This is your duty, this is my duty, this is all of the Ummah's duty, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.